Parlin Hall.
Aww.
You've seen this on YouTube before, haven't you?
Oh, I like the...
Oh, that's cool. It's got the UT logo, look.
And ignites orange.
I'm gonna take a picture of that.
That is a cool call button. That call button is cool.
Mm-hmm.
Custom made. So this used to be an Otis.
Right?
Otis Black Button. I don't know if the cab's been redone or not.
It has.
I haven't been in this elevator. I was in... Oh, wow.
Colorful.
Oh wow, look at the buttons.
Oh, that is cool.
That's cool.
That makes up for the cringe-worthiness. Ooh.
Let's go to G.
That's cool.
These are neat. Like I said, do you remember I used to have the tray lighting in the back, Jason?
Yes.
Yeah. This thing is totally different now.
It's been modernized in faces. Look, it's got the old Otis logo on the door track.
That's the only thing left over from it.
Oh wow.
I've seen worse mods.
Yes.
See, the buttons make up for it.
This is not a horrible mod.
That's it.
Yes.
Picture of that.